Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The sunset of Kuakata sea beach. The sun slowly shut down. All our places are silent. Many people enjoy this scenery. I like this scenery. Many people coming there. Seaboard, boat, and fishing boat. Hauled and front side the river. It's called Bay of Bengal last station. Bangladesh Kuakata, Bangladesh inside of Kuakata Palace. We enjoy this place. Now this time, 22 December 2024. How charming this scenery. Many tourist bus stay the roads of sight. The roads clearing me, and road safety rules and parking rules. Talking to driver and other tourist people. Some foreigner tourist. I talked to him language of English, but Japanese foreigner. She don't know English. Just enjoy the sunset.